Hello guys, I'm Chris and this is Despony Garage. Today I will talk about the stuff that I have done to the car that I haven't recorded and also changing out the differential. So I haven't really talked about this, but I put small brakes. So this is 325 iX, so 2.5 liter petrol engine, 4-wheel drive brake rotor, which is just as small as the other BMW rotors, like this part, and smaller than 3 liter ones, which I needed, but the handbrake system is the same as 3 liter one, so I can keep the original 3 liter parking brake system with smaller brakes, so I can fit 15-inch wheels. Then I swapped the seat out. This is C4 seat. It's a little bit lighter. It's not as light as I would want it to be. Under here I haven't also done anything besides fixing oil stick leak down there that goes into the oil pan. That O-ring wasn't rubber anymore and it was leaking, so I changed that. Yeah, other than that I haven't done anything really. This is the old differential out of this car, because this is an open differential, which I'm gonna change out to this. This is rock differential, 3:15 ratio. This is 3.0 something, so this is a little bit faster ratio. Hopefully will make the time better. Then I have new CV axles, because I broke this side CV axle last event. Now I have to get this CV axle out. Hopefully it will come out, and then I can put this diff in, new axles, put everything back together and go to the race day tomorrow. Well, the race day is actually today, but I probably won't finish this. I'm gonna try getting that CV axle out. Hopefully it will come out. Actually gonna put some WD-40 on here. If I can reach it. Hopefully we'll make it a little bit easier. Not really. It's actually getting easier, so I'm really hoping that it's working. I think it came out. Okay, finally got it. 2 ratchets. Oh. Well. Ow. Ah. My fucking finger. Oh. I'm think I'm gonna do a swiper treat. So I have to get these bolts out. So they're here and they're on top of it. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, this side was a little bit easier than the other side. Okay, so I managed to get the swivel out, and now there's a lot more room. And then pretty much I can start putting things back together. So the diff, then the CV axles, springs, strut, and the brake system over here, strut, wheels on here, And that's pretty much all, because I'm not gonna put the sway bar back on. Make sure you have the bolt ready, put into here. Woo! Lift this up. This. Please. Oh. Woo. That was way easier actually if I'm just gonna bench press it onto there. That was way easier than using this thing. Woo. Woo. Now we need to put this bolt on, then we can do the dry shaft. Okay, so the differ is bolted up. It doesn't go anywhere. So now you just have to bolt this dry shaft up and line the holes up. So yeah, that's the next step. Okay, as you can see, the car is on the ground. I forgot to record but I put the sieve axles on. This side was pain in the ass, so I had to use a knife, or I used a knife and a pick. I used this to like scrape the shit out. It's ready to go for the test drive, and tomorrow is race day, so hopefully everything works. Okay. Started. It took some time, but it did start. It tries. Okay, so I think the diff is not tightened correctly. As you saw, when I go reverse, the diff goes like. When I go forward, it doesn't do anything. So that means that I just don't go backwards. Easy problem solved. I'm probably gonna go under the car and look. So I did try it a little bit. My speedo doesn't work. This thing doesn't turn at all. Like at all. I'm gonna do a smaller. I'm not even turning. How do people drive this? Like, how do people daily? Like to drive welded differentials. Making a lot of noise. definitely not great. Which is amazing. I just did a rolling burnout. I didn't mean to do a rolling burnout, but I didn't know that it's gonna Later that night, when I was going to my dad's workshop to check what makes that noise, the check engine light came on and the car was misfiring. Because the shop wasn't far, I decided to drive it there. Turns out one of my ignition coils went bad, just like that. Changed it to a new one and everything was fine. Moving on to the rear noise. We tightened all of the bolts that I unscrewed, but everything was tight and the bushings were fine. My dad went to lean on one of the rear wheels with his hand and the wheel moved, because someone didn't tighten the rear wheels. I wonder who that was. After that, all of the noise was gone, so I went to sleep to go to the event tomorrow morning.